The DJI Mini 3 Pro is here. Is it really worth the word Pro? We're going to have a look. Hey everyone, Stephen from the Flyby Guys. Good to see you again, and I'm here with the Mini 3 Pro. Managed to get my hands on one, and I've been quite impressed with this out of the box. It's an ugly little thing, it really is. But you know, it's not what's on the outside, it's what the inside that counts. That's what I'm always told. So yeah, small sensor, but nearly at the 1 inch. So those of you who know me will know I'm very particular about the sensor size when it comes to gathering data. We are not the type of company that go out and we video weddings or whatnot. We're not that kind of company. We are a data-driven company. Of course, we also do the drone light shows as well. That's something completely different. But when it comes to working with our drones, they have to be compatible so that we can gather the data. And the sensor size is vitally important for that, so we can get as much data as possible for our customers. Now, this version comes with the new DJI RC, quite impressive. However, it does feel a bit cheap. It's light, the sticks, it all feels a little bit more cheaper than the other RCs, you know, the smart controller and the RCs that you get with the Mini 2 and the Air 2S and whatnot. However, nice little machine. It gets a little bit hot, but you know, I'm sure updates will maybe take that away. It isn't bad. You have to add an SD card if you want to record your screen, because there's no internal memory on this. So make sure you add an SD card. I did do that as soon as I got it, and I've recorded my screen, so you'll see here that I've been doing the updates. I've been recording the screen as I have been doing the first flight. Just some general comments. I love the fact that you can go into portrait mode on this. It takes me back to the Mavic Pro days, because that was the only drone that you could do portraits. So for social media, if you're doing Instagram stories and whatnot, it's a great little drone for that. I don't think I'll be using it much. Maybe I'll use it a few times, but it's still a nice way to use the camera, if not. And it's automatically assigned to the C2 when you get it out of the box. C1 is for the 90 degree up and down, but C2 you can change it, but of course you can change that in there if you want as well within the settings. So yeah, nice to get back to the old Mavic Pro days, because I did like that feature. Yeah, it handles very well. It seems quiet. I think I'll do a test actually between the Mini 2 and the Mini 3, because I actually thought that this was quiet when it was flying. I could be wrong. It just could be the environment that I was in that it just made it sound a bit quiet, but it sounded quieter. We'll have to check that. Yeah, so a nice little drone out the box. Make sure you enjoy it if you get your hands on it. I know that especially over in the States, they're finding it difficult getting theirs, even if you've ordered it. So I do hope you get yours soon. I got the last one in Finland. Here, this was the last one. This wasn't sent to us. We didn't get this free. This was bought by us. So, so my own opinion on this is my own, and I'm not influenced by anything. So yeah, this is it. Nice, really, you know, nice to get the sub 250 actually growing. It seems bigger. It is a bit bigger than the Mini 2, slightly bigger, but of course it's the weight that counts. And also the sensor size, as far as I'm concerned. So it doesn't matter what it looks like. The legs seem to be a little bit longer. The battery is odd. I found myself being a bit kind of awkward with the actual battery, and also, as usual, the gimbal cover is very annoying. It can sometimes take you a few minutes to try to get it on properly. So again, you know, I would like to see this getting fixed as well at some point. It's just a minor thing, but, you know, Anyway, I hope this was helpful to you. And if you get one, I hope you enjoy. If you're planning to get one, please leave a comment below. If you're not planning on getting a Mini 3 and you have a reason why, please tell me as well, because it would be really good to know why you're not getting one. Maybe the Mini 2 is enough for you. Maybe the Air 2S is still the best drone for you. I still think it's the best bang for your buck at the moment because of the sensor size. But again, with legislation, I think that the sub 250, this could be a winner. And could my mind be changed? Maybe. But until then, fly safe.